WGAN Forum Podcast number 212. Monday, July 24, 2023.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, your source for Matterport and related 3D and 360 platforms, cameras, and third-party add-ons. Visit WGANforum.com.
Matterport expands environmental commitments to reduce carbon footprint through hardware recycling program with BlueStar Services. Partnership with BlueStar Services will provide free recycling Matterport hardware and accessories that are beyond repair, a critical step in reducing electronic waste as a result of its products. SUNNYVALE, California, Monday, July 24, 2023, Globe NEWSWIRE, Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, today announced a hardware recycling partnership with BlueStar Services Group, a full-service asset management, reclamation, recycling, and IT asset disposition services company, providing Matterport customers in North America a sustainable way to recycle Matterport hardware and accessories that are beyond repair, from the Pro Series cameras to Axis. According to the United Nations, less than 20% of electronic waste is recycled. As a zero-landfill company, BlueStar is committed to reducing waste in landfills by recycling what other companies no longer accept, reusing any item or device that is still functioning and recycling the rest. With BlueStar, Matterport customers in North America can now reduce the impact of their electronic waste by recycling unrepairable Matterport products for free, supporting Matterport's goals of operating more sustainably throughout the lifecycle of its products. Matterport's 3D cameras are a core part of our digital twin offering, and we're determined to confront their carbon costs so that we can stay ahead of the curve in a climate-conscious world, said Kadira Harris, Senior Director, Global Responsibility, Matterport. We're committed to tackling the Scope 3 emissions associated with not only the production and distribution of our products, but also managing end-of-life support, and our partnership with BlueStar Services is a critical step to achieving this. Reducing the carbon footprint of its customers is core to Matterport's business philosophy. By turning millions of buildings and other physical spaces into high-precision, immersive, 3D digital twins, Matterport empowers people across the world to work in smarter ways that can reduce strain on the planet, enabling architects, builders, facility managers, and more to efficiently manage, monitor, or market their spaces without the need to step on a plane or get in a car. In 2022, Matterport began the process of formalizing its environmental and climate risk strategies by gathering data on its greenhouse gas emissions to measure, monitor, and reduce the company's carbon footprint. The company issued its first Environmental Sustainability and Governance (ESG) report detailing the company's progress against these initiatives in 2023. According to the analysis conducted by carbon accounting specialists for this first report, each Matterport digital twin can avoid an estimated 0.15 tons of CO2e from being emitted on a life cycle basis, equivalent to the emissions produced by a personal car driven roughly 444 miles to. Businesses, universities, and the public sector alike are turning to Matterport to reduce their carbon footprint by collaborating more effectively, remotely, with Matterport digital twins. Learn more about Matterport's commitments to ESG and how businesses can meet their own ESG goals with Matterport at www.matterport.com/ESG. About Matterport. Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, is leading the digital transformation of the built world. Our groundbreaking digital twin platform turns buildings into data to make every space more valuable and accessible. Millions of buildings in more than 177 countries have been transformed into immersive Matterport digital twins to improve every part of the building lifecycle from planning, construction, and operations to documentation, appraisal, and marketing. Learn more at www.matterport.com. Copyright 2023 Matterport, Incorporated. All rights reserved. Matterport is a registered trademark and the Matterport logo is a trademark of Matterport, Incorporated. All other marks are the property of their respective owners. Footnotes. UN Report, Time to Seize Opportunity, Tackle Challenge of E-Waste. Matterport 2021 Environmental Sustainability and Governance, ESG, Report. Source, Matterport via Globe NEWSWIRE.